Hey, Sam back here. Thanks for coming to this video. I'm excited today to introduce you to Instamate. Instamate's a new software that's coming out, and I'm really excited about it. I've had the chance to test it out, and today I'll be showing you a demo of what it can do and why it's such a useful software and a really smart idea. Now, we actually run an Instagram account. My wife and I run this. The reason being that we're looking to launch a website very soon called a Laptop Startup. And we've been creating an Instagram around Laptop Startup, as well as a Facebook group and a number of other platforms to gather exposure for this, build up followers, and when we're ready, we're going to launch the website to our audiences. This is our Instagram account. We've been running it for a few months now, and you can actually see we basically post ourselves with our laptops as we're traveling. We post people that we meet. We post different images, and it's kind of a cool concept for people that are traveling nomads, for example, that travel on their laptops. So we have a number of followers. We've managed to build a number of connections through this as well. So say, for example, we're now contributors for a travel readership website that has over 1 million people that read it on a regular basis. My wife and I write articles. They post articles for us. We're like a portal for them to see what it is like to travel, and we write for their audience. We've also been able to get into the newspaper here locally in New Zealand, and as well as that, we've connected with a number of different entrepreneurs from around the world, entrepreneurs we would never have connected with before and didn't even know exist. Many of these people travel, they take Instagram photos, and many of them are actually sponsored to post on Instagram about different companies, which is really quite a new thing because companies are now looking to utilize Instagram in their marketing. Now, what you'll notice here is one of the biggest frustrations my wife and I have had for the last few months is that we haven't been able to post through Instagram itself. There's no way on our computers, on our laptops as we travel, to actually post. We have to actually connect up our cell phone to upload our photos. So we take our photos on our cell phone, we have to upload them. Now, if we take photos on our camera, which most of these photos are from actually a professional camera, we actually have to upload or add them to our phone. We have to add it to our computer, add it to our phone, then upload the image and write whatever we're writing through an editing software like Instamate, for example. So it's not ideal. It takes a bit of time, and we've been wanting and thinking, hey, is it possible to actually have something online that would do all of this for us? And thank goodness for the guys at Instamate, because they've actually created something that solves that problem. It now allows us to post our images directly from our computer to Instagram. It also allows us to find different trending hashtags, because the biggest thing that we found about Instagram is the key to getting more and more likes, more and more people engaging with you, is actually the timing of your post and the hashtags that you use. So it's really important to get the timing right and also get the hashtags right as well. If the hashtags are right, the timing is right, we notice that we get a lot more people viewing our images, sharing our images, and communicating with us. So that's really a key point about Instagram. So what this gives you the ability to do is find trending hashtags, find trending topics. It gives you the ability to also find popular posts. Then you can actually edit those posts, use them yourself. You can download it. You can edit in a software like Instamate and re-add it to Instagram. You can also schedule your posts to go out in future. And there's also a number of upgrade features that are really useful as well. This link cloaker in itself, it's the OTO3. I'm not sure the price of it, but it's really important because what it'll give you the ability to do is for the first time, you'll actually be able to use affiliate links over Instagram. So if you're selling Amazon products through your photos, if you're selling e-commerce products through your photos, you can use an affiliate link in your description, send people off, and people then will be able to pick up what they want to pick up. Okay, it's really, really cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a step-by-step demonstration of what this software does and how you can use this. And then at the end of the video, if you like what you see so far, you can go down below, check out all of the different details about it. And at 9 AM EST, this launches, it goes live, and you can then get access to the software at a really low price. I think you'll be really impressed by the price as well. You can get access to this if you're really early for under $40, and the price is going to be increasing, but it's just a one-off cost right now. There's no monthly attached to this. Yes, it's the first software of its kind. Usually softwares like this will come out and they sell for $197 or a monthly cost. Thank goodness the guys have decided to put this at a low cost because it's really affordable. All right. Let's go to Instagram Finder. This is the first step in this whole process. So if you're looking to find different hashtags or you're looking to find what would be popular, you can search through here. So let's search traveling, for example. Now, that kind of fits into our concept, traveling entrepreneurs. We want to find other people that are traveling, or maybe we could search traveling nomads, or we could go through and we could actually have a look at some of the different hashtags that are used. So say, for example, if we were to click on a photo, we've got this photo up here. These are these hashtags. Now, these hashtags basically can be searched through, so we could actually click click on one of these and it'll take us to all the different images that have their hashtags. That's how the search engine over Instagram kind of works. We've got our own hashtag, laptop startup. There's also a number of other hashtags around there. So say, for example, if we were to go ahead and we were to search for nomad. Nomad is the traveling entrepreneur, the type of person that travels and does sorts of different things. So these are all the different images that have used that particular hashtag. So when we search traveling through here, this software is searching for the hashtags here, and it's searching for different relevant profiles or Instagram profiles that are relevant to our particular search. So we could actually click through and we could view one of these if we wanted to. We could also click through here and we could find the different, or have a look at what was inside these different hashtags. So on this finder, what we can do is, as you can see, I've typed in traveling. Now traveling is, we're traveling entrepreneurs. This is our Instagram profile. You might have something different. It might be fitness, it could be health. And we've typed in this hashtag traveling, and it's come up with all the different pages which it finds as most relevant to that particular hashtag, and it comes up with extended hashtags. So say, for example, you're looking to get more marketing, more promotion for your website or your Instagram. What you want to do is you want to find the top hashtags relating to what it is you're posting about, so you get the most exposure over Instagram. What this gives you is it gives you the top category hashtag, plus it gives you other hashtags related to that it thinks will be useful if you want to tag them in your picture. So I clicked on this one here, traveling, seeking, cars and stuff, and what it's come up with is this right here. This is the page. So when you click on click on one of these, it'll actually dig down into the page and it'll show you the different posts for that particular Instagram account. Here's where this is really cool. What you can do from here is you can either edit if you've got the OTO1, you can either repost this on your own Instagram, so you're reutilizing content that's on someone else's post. You can see that this is really popular, so you can actually reuse this if you wanted to on your own Instagram. You can download it, edit the image, or keep it for other purposes. You could post it on Facebook or another social network, and you can find out the details about this. You can actually click on it, find out the details, what tags they used, who it was by, and all the details about this particular image. So another really handy feature and a really smart idea. So it means that you can just grab popular posts that are already proven over Instagram, repost them, use them on your account, and it'll give you more exposure, give you a more consistent feel on your account, and people will like your account more because you've got better quality photos. Now obviously you need to make sure that you have permission to use these, or you edit them enough so you're not impeding on anyone's IP. Just be careful with that, but it is a really cool idea. And also you could use your own Instagram account, edit the images on your Instagram account, post them to Facebook, and do all sorts of cool stuff with that as well. So you can download, click on download. You can, if you wanted to, post this onto your own Instagram. I'm not going to do that, but we could also edit it as well through the editing software which is inside of Instamate. It's actually got its own image creation software, which is really quite cool. So you can actually edit posts within Instamate and customize them as you want. Now this feature right here that I'm showing you now is an OTO1 feature, so be aware it's an OTO1 feature. You can take any post you want and you can edit it within this system. You can add text, you can add, if you want to, you can, as you can see here, I could add some text if I wanted to. Add it to the page. You can adjust the text as well as you want, and you can drag and drop it. So it's a drag and drop editor. Now you might have Usign and you might already have this functionality. The advantage of this software right here is it's within one click. You can edit your posts, you can expand it, edit it as you want, and you can also add images as well, and you can completely create Instagram posts within this one editor. It also has a number of features such as drawings, filters, probably most importantly filters. You can actually completely change one of these images as you want it up, and this works better with high quality photos, but there you are. You can edit this as you want as well. It's got shapes, stickers, and you can also change the image and adjust it as well, then save as you want as well. So you get a feel for what this does. I've made a complete mess of this image, but I'd encourage you to only use the filters if you're actually using your own images, because I've found that if you use the filters on your images from Instagram, they're not always high quality and it's difficult. Plus, just be aware that when you select one filter, you're actually selecting multiple filters. You actually have to cross that filter before you choose the next one, otherwise you'll have an image coming out like mine is here, because you can combine filters, right? Something that I've learnt over the system, so make sure you do that as well. Now, we've finished with that. That's the image editor. It's actually down here inside of the add-ons. Okay, it's an upgrade feature, image editor, but it's also fixed into the software. Now we've got Discover. Now Discover is really cool because it shows you different trends that are happening on Instagram right now. So say for example you're a business, you want to catch a trend, right? You want to find out what is trending. You could search for the trends in your industry. So say for example I'm searching fitness, it's actually going to find the trending posts, the trending pages for fitness, which is really useful. So you can actually see what's most popular, what people are liking, which hashtags are working, and you can go through these different posts and repost them, edit the posts if you want to, or you can just keep an eye out on what other people are doing and do your own research so you can actually figure out whether this is something that you want to use yourself. Alright, so you can get some ideas from this really well. There's also popular tags. Now tags, as I've mentioned, really popular and really, or sorry, not popular, but really important over Instagram. Alright, you use tags to generate more traffic. When you tag a photo for a particular topic, such as, such as traveling entrepreneur, for example, it's going to come up when people search for that hashtag inside of Instagram. And every day, people are searching for those hashtags in Instagram. And Instagram presents, based on the hashtags, that image to a particular audience. Now, what this will give you is it'll actually give you a bunch of starter tags. So you can get a bunch of starter tags through here, popular tags. You can automatically tag it, copy and paste these tags if you want. If you've got a post about love, you can just copy and post these. They're the most popular tags, and they're guaranteed to get you the most visitors. All right. Now, it's not just about the tags, it's also about the time of day you post, and that's why the scheduled post is so important. Previously or currently on Instagram, you can't schedule your posts in. So my wife and I, we actually wait around for popular times to post our images. Now we don't have to because we have the scheduled post feature. So all of this is intertwined. It all works together really well, and you can get a good feel for how this could be used, in your business from this here. Now, post on Instagram. You can actually post from your page on Instagram. Now, you have to connect up your page first. You can connect up your page through the settings page or component right here. All you need to do is log into your account. Sorry, not settings, accounts. Log into your account, and then what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to submit your username, your password, add your account, and then that'll come up as a posting option when you're posting. So I've added my account, I've added an example account of mine just to show you for this demonstration how this posting works. So you'll just basically need to add in your username, password, just like you would when you're logging into Instagram, and it'll be saved for you. You can add multiple accounts, you can do this with clients, really, really easy through this system. Now we click post on Instagram, all right? Post on Instagram. It's going to come up with an option, and this will allow us now to go ahead and add an image to our Instagram post. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to act as if I'm posting on traveling entrepreneurs, and I'm just going to grab an image that I've already pre-created here. Okay, so I'm going to add a caption. I'm going to say travel with us around the world, and I might go ahead and I might put hashtag travel, traveling, hashtag digital nomad, and I could go to the the popular tag section here, and I could actually go ahead and find some other tags that I might want to use. Now for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab and copy and paste just a few tags that I can find here. So I might go holiday and celebration tags, that's probably quite fitting, and I'm going to go ahead and grab holidays. So I might go ahead, add this, copy, and then I can add these tags in as well. Now there is a limit to the amount of tags you can add over Instagram, so just be aware that once you meet that limit, you can place more tags in the comment section if you really want to, and that will post through the comment section, but you'll have to do that manually, and you can also schedule on your post. So now if I wanted to schedule one in, what I'd do is I'd go ahead, I would schedule on the post that I wanted, so I could go through here, I could choose the date that I wanted. I could also go ahead and I could choose if I wanted to post it now. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and post it now to show you this as an example. I'm posting this now. Cool, it's successfully posted. I click OK, and I can also go and click here and it will actually show me where it's been uploaded. Now let's check my account. Cool, here it is. There is my image. So it's been successfully posted to Instagram. So as you build your following, as you go ahead and do this, you'll be able to post this more often. You'll be able to schedule on your posts. We're 100% using this for traveling entrepreneurs. My wife's installing it right now to get it set up for her because she does most of her updating over Instagram. So really, really cool. People can then engage with it. They can like, they can comment, and they can post different different messages. As you can see, I'm logged into my other account right now, Traveling Entrepreneurs, so I'm able to engage with this as if I was someone that was viewing this. And people can then follow you. They can, check out what you're doing, and it's all available through the system. You can do this for clients, do this in your own business. Really cool system, really easy to use, and I think you really like this. I haven't seen a more complete software for Instagram. I haven't seen an Instagram software that does this full stop. So that's Instamate. I hope this demo has helped you to understand what this does and where this fits into your strategy when it comes to Instagram, how this can help and what it can do for your business. If you're doing this for clients, this is a really cool tool. It's a leg up on other people that might be updating on Instagram for their competition. And you can even take this to a company, say, hey, I can sell this to, or I can give you access to a software that I have, and you can charge for that on an ongoing basis, depending on what license you get access to with Instamate. So I'm really excited about this. It's a really cool software, and I know you're really going to get a lot out of it. So go down below, check out all the details. You can check out all the bonuses as well, and jump in, get access if this fits your strategy, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. This is Sam Baker. Thanks again. I'll see you later.